Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best spring clamp reviews. Number 5. Collins Tool Mitre Spring Clamps. Mitre clamps mouth can open up to 2 inches, so you don't need to carry various sizes. Sharp point doesn't cut down wood fibers, it just pierces the wood. Glue dries allow great finish. Perfect for trim work, molding, and picture frames. Brand, Collins Tool Company. Weight, 8.2 ounces. Model, mitre clamps 12-pack. Dimension, 5.9 into 4 into 1.6 inches. Style, 12 clamps. Number 4. Lot of 4, 6 inches spring clamp large super heavy duty spring metal black. PVC coated rubber clamp tips and handles provides firm grip. The tension is enough strong to clamp anything firmly. Made of high quality materials. 3 inches jaw opening provide extra wide space to hold objects. Brand, online best service. Weight, 1.45 pounds. Made in China. Model, FBA 85476. Color, black. Size, lot of 4. Number 3. Limo Studio 20 PCS Photography Backdrop Support Spring Clamp. Works for paper, canvas, background muslin, and etc. Perfect for crafting, woodwork, artwork, photography, or anything you need. Movable teeth help allow sturdy grip. Nylon construction for heavy-duty performance. Brand, Limo Studio. Weight, 1.3 pounds. Model, a GG1424. Color, black. Size, 3.75 inches. Dimension, 6.5 into 2.8 into 11.4 inches. Number 2. Imart Heavy Duty Muslin Spring Clamps. Muslin clip is light, reliable, and strong. Movable teeth allow firm grip in any direction. The rough surface of the clip has a strong spring to clip anything tightly. Combined advanced technology with ergonomic design for comfortable grip. Brand, Imart. Weight, 8.8 ounces. Color, black and orange. Dimension, 7.5 into 2 into 7.5 inches. Material, nylon. Maximum opening, 2 inches. Number 1. WorkPro 16-piece spring clamp set. Soft pads help to protect fine finishes of work pieces. Ergonomic handle provide comfort while using. Constructed by reinforced nylon for increased strength. Geometric textured surface allows good friction for clamping or fastening objects. Brand, Work Pro. Weight, 1.88 pounds. Model, W00140008. Color, black and red. Dimension, 6.3 into 4.7 into 1 inches. Share this video please.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!